Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Anna's Kitchen. Now for today's video we'll be doing peppered steak. First off, I already pre-washed the steak and cut them up into fine pieces. Now I'm just adding some salt, black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning and some garlic powder. After adding the dry seasoning, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and then I'm going to give it a stir and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes for it to marinate. While the steak is marinating, I'm going to cut some seasoning. I use 2 different colors: sweet pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, escallion, and garlic. In a frying pan over medium heat, I add 1 tablespoon of oil and I just let that heat up, and then I'm going to be sauteing half of my seasoning, just half. We're going to save the next half for later. So now we're just going to be sauteing these for 2 minutes. We don't want to burn it, so just keep stirring. After the 2 minutes, I'm just going to be adding my steak to the pot, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water to this. Cover it and let it cook for half an hour or until tender. Alright, I know I haven't posted any video in over 3 weeks. For about 3 weeks now, yes. I just want to take this time out to apologize. Trust me, I'm not slacking off. I'm just completely busy, but I'm back on my game, so don't worry. Just remember to keep sharing my videos and hit the thumbs up button once you've watched it, if you like it. Hopefully you do, fingers crossed. But thank you guys for sharing, liking, commenting. I see all the comments. I try to reply to all of them. I appreciate it. I can't stop saying that. I'm almost at 400 subscribers. I want to hit 500 subscribers by September. Can you guys help me get to 500 subscribers by September the 15th? Can you? If you see where you need to add more water to the pot, turn down the flames on low heat and add half cup more water. After the steak is finished cooked and is now soft and tender, I'm going to add the next half of my seasoning and just cook this for an additional 5 minutes while stirring. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with water just to thicken the gravy. So after I add that, I'm just going to stir it until it becomes thick. Now you don't have to do this step, it's completely optional. But I sprinkled 1/8 teaspoon of brown sugar to my pepper steak, just to add a little sweetness to it. Okay, once the 5 minutes is up and the gravy becomes thick to your liking, then you can just turn off the fire and plate hot. Here's a close-up of how my peppered steak looks while it's bubbling in the pot on its last lap. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it so much. Follow my Instagram page, Anna's Kitchen JA, and here's a picture of the final product. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next video.